Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9. Today we will discuss how personal branding has become important in the digital era, especially in the workplace, and how it affects career opportunities. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Ainul Hakim.
My name is Alvin Suhaibal.
My name is Fani Putri Handayani.
Without further ado, let us next to our presentation. Okay. Uh, in the past, job opportunity mainly depended on academic achievement and resumes. However, in today's digital era, online presence plays a crucial role in shaping how individuals are perceived professionally. However, in today's digital era, online person has become equally important. Recruiters now often search for candidates before interviews by checking LinkedIn profiles, portfolios, and other online activities. Because of this, first impressions are often formed before any direct interaction take place, which makes online identity very important. Why this matters? Uh, this shift represent a real change in hiring behavior, where employers evaluate candidates beyond traditional resumes. Personal branding shapes how professional are perceived. This situation shows a real shift in how hiring works today. Strong online visibility increases career opportunities. Employers no longer rely only on resumes, but also evaluate candidates through their online presence. Uh, Digital presence influence hiring decisions. Personal branding plays a key role because it shapes how professionals are perceived. What is personal branding? Personal branding is the process of shaping how others perceive you in a professional context. It is not about being famous, but about building a clear, consistent, and intentional professional identity. Uh, personal personal brand Personal branding refers to how individuals shape the way others see them professionally. It is not about being famous or popular, but both building a clear and intentional identity. This identity reflects who you are, what you can do, and how you present yourself in a professional environment. Elements of personal branding. uh, Presenting skill and experimentally and professionally. This personal branding includes several important elements. Uh, Communicating effectively in digital platform. First, how you present your skills and experience clearly and professionally. And three, we have maintaining consistency across different channels. Second, how you communicate, especially to in digital platform such as email or LinkedIn. Uh, Building a recognizable and trustworthy professional image. Third, maintaining consistency across different platform and a recognizable and trustworthy professional image.
Next, from student in professional. So, when we move from college to the workplace, our mindset need to shift. We are not only judged by what we know, but also by how we present our skill and knowledge. And today, on digital platform like LinkedIn or GitHub, they work as a living portfolio that show both our ability and how we behave professionally. Next, important and benefit. So, There are several benefits of having a strong personal brand. It boosts our credibility before we even meet anyone. It makes us more visible to recruiters. It helps us grow our professional network, and it creates a positive first impression. Simply put, a strong personal brand let opportunities come to us instead of us waiting for them. Next, now we will look at how personal branding connect with IT student development and the industry, and how these three things work together. Next, correlation. Today, personal branding is not just about how you look on social media. It's more about how you show your real skill, experience, and potential in the workplace. For IT students, personal branding acts as a bridge between the academic world and what the industry actually needs. Because companies now look at portfolio, project, communication skill, and digital footprints, not just resume. So, developing ourselves through project, internship, and online portfolio is really important. With a strong personal brand, we can show that we are not only good at theory, but also ready to adapt thesis and contribute to the industry. Next, at explanation. In the digital age, companies don't only look at economic ability, they also check our digital presence. Recruiter now review LinkedIn, GitHub, and portfolio even before the interview. But the challenge is there's still a gap between what students learn in university and what the IT industry actually needs. That's why structure self-development through an SDP combined with personal branding is really crucial to bridge that gap.
Okay, the next presentation, Fanny Putri Handayani, Student Development Plan or SDP as a personal branding support for IT student career readiness. SDP is a student development strategy in the one developing hard skills such as programming, database, and cloud computing, and two, improving soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving, and three, forming an adaptive mindset to technological development and industry needs. Okay, the next main challenge. There is still a gap between academic theory and the needs of the industrial world. And the main challenge too, many students possess technical skill but are unable to demonstrate their professional value. Okay, the next relation to personal branding. The one relation, skill, project, and experience from SDV can be part of a professional personal branding and team relational portfolio, LinkedIn, GitHub, and internship helps students demonstrate competency to recruiter. And less relation to personal branding helps IT students ever more work ready, adaptable, and competitive in the digital workplace. Okay, the next personal branding based on industry expectation. The IT industry value practical skill over academics grades. With what combine needs a portfolio of real projects, internship or high project experience, and then problem solving skill. The key concept personal branding industry expectation the one T-shaped skill or broad foundation plus specialization and PDCA cycle continue improvement. Proven skill are more important than the theory. Okay, the next personal branding as a representation of professional skill. Therefore, professional branding serves as a representation of a person's professional skill in the digital age. Through personal branding, various competition occur through self-development process such as the Student Development Plan or SDP can be displayed in tangible digital form such as project portfolio, GitHub account, and LinkedIn profile. This demonstrates how technical ability, experience, and soft skill are not limited to the learning stage but are also communicate professionally to the industry. And then just personal branding becomes a means to demonstrate an individual's quality and readiness to face the demands of the modern workplace in a more credible and relevant manner. Okay, the next integration and conclusion. SDP and personal branding are interconnect. SDP building competency, personal branding showcasing competency, and one main work readiness pathway in the digital era, and two main learning and internship or industry experience, and three, digital documentation or online portfolio, and lace, personal branding or industry visibility. Okay, portfolio as evidence of competency. A portfolio is tangible evidence of a student ability in the IT world, not just campus assignment, but also real project that can be used. It's a key factor in recruiter assessment compared to academic grades. Okay, the main two, agile learning and continuous improvement. For the example, students need to adopt flexible and sustainable learning patterns using approaches as PDCA, plan, do, check, act, help them adapt to rapid technological change, and LACE, main integration and conclusion, digital present as a career assets, online activity, LinkedIn, GitHub, portfolio. A strong digital presence increases your chance of being noticed by a recruiter, becomes a career asset. Career asset that works even before the interview process begins. And last conclusion. Okay, the conclusion. In the context of personal branding for the workplace, student readiness to enter the industrial world is determined not only by technical skill but also by consistent self-development and a professional digital presence. Strong skill developed through the student development or SDP, continue development through learning and project experience, and a digital present through platform like LinkedIn, GitHub, and a portfolio complement each other in saving one professional value. And then, conclusion, the combination of these three create greater career opportunity because the industry look not only at what a person know, but also at how they demonstrate and communicate their ability professionally. Thus, personal branding is a crucial factor connecting competency with job opportunity in the digital age. Opportunity come not only from what you know, but from how you present it.
Okay, so for our presentation, that's all. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.